Bitcoin is celebrating its 16th birthday on 3rd of January 2025. The first decentralized cryptocurrency was invented in 2009, but the official price standards came into being by 2010. The Bitcoin network was created when Nakamoto mined the starting block of the chain known as the Genesis block. Bitcoin has a maximum of 21 million coins that can ever be created. So with that kind of a listing supply, the increase in demand, Bitcoin has seen a long-term price growth. The first time ever that Bitcoin was used to buy something in real world was in 2010. It was 2 pizzas which costed 10,000 Bitcoins. A Bitcoin back then in 2010 was $0.3. In 2011, Bitcoin ranged between $2 to $30. 2012 was a year of consolidation, with Bitcoin ending the year at $13. 2013 taught Bitcoin enthusiasts the insane volatility that the crypto would come to be known for years to come. 2013 saw a range of $20 to $1,200 on the higher side. The signature volatility continued in 2014, with Bitcoin hitting $10,000 in the beginning of the year and ended 2014 at just above $300 on the lower side. 2015 and 2016 traded in a range, and then we saw $19,000 by the time it was December 2017, another very, very volatile year. 2018 was a year of 73% decline, and 2019 played within a range. 2020 was a COVID year. It started on a slower note but closed at an all-time high of $28,000 as liquidity from central banks increased. 2021 was yet another year which saw Bitcoin making a record highs at $64,000 by mid-April amidst again high liquidity, and we also saw COVID vaccine do wonders in equities, currencies, commodities and cryptocurrencies. But this was also the time that China announced all crypto transactions illegal, the gas prices were high, the NFTs were not really selling, and the environment concerns were highlighted on making or mining of Bitcoins. After various warnings in 2021, in 2022, India introduced 30% taxes on crypto profits. This was on April 1st of 2022. And then 1% TDS was implemented later on 1st of July 2022. By end of 2022, Bitcoin sank to less than $16,000 as a high-profile blow-up such as FTX hurt traders' confidence. Bitcoin came out of the crypto winters in 2023 and by 2024 made an all-time highs at $108,000. Money poured into the newly launched Bitcoin ETFs. Various countries were adopting Bitcoin as a legal tender. And then, amid market enthusiasm following the election victory of crypto-friendly former President Donald Trump, the markets believed that the Bitcoin could just about continue to double from here as well, for 25 and 26 seen as very, very positive years.
For more news and updates, all you need to do is follow CNBC TV 18 on all of our digital platforms.